you realize that all of the confidence, all of the self-worth, all of the things that you need are already within you. But if you don't have that, that's what's going to cause the lack of discipline. That's what's going to cause procrastination. That's what's going to cause self-sabotage. That's what's going to cause uncertainty. I didn't even have my cell phone, which I'm going to go outside right now. And I was left with nothing other than what I had in my head, my knowledge, my skills. And I looked at my bank account, there was no money there. And it was just the most bizarre feeling, almost like a little nightmare. And then something dawned on me. What dawned on me was that I didn't need any money. I didn't need any clothes. I didn't need any tools. All I needed was to tap into what I've got in here. 59 years of knowledge and skill building, 59 years of successes and failures, 59 years of figuring out how to make it work. And so here's what I'm going to ask you if you're a business owner. Do you have the right mindset to be dropped off anywhere in the world with nothing, no money, no phone, maybe just access to a computer? And could you, in less than a year or two, make enough money to thrive? Could you get out of debt? Could you make the thing happen? Now, here's why I ask you this. When you lose everything, which fortunately I've never had to do, but when you lose everything, you realize one thing. If you've got the mindset of what you need to do, how you need to think, how to manage your emotions, and you have the skill set to, for example, grow a business, generate leads, brand your business, create messaging that people are going to resonate with, create sales processes, that you can take people through a logical and emotional ride to be able to get more clients and make more money. You realize that all of the confidence, all of the self-worth, all of the things that you need are already within you. But if you don't have that, that's what's going to cause the lack of discipline. That's what's going to cause procrastination. That's what's going to cause self-sabotage. That's what's going to cause uncertainty. So here is your trick. You want to achieve more success in your life? Focus every day on your mindset. Focus every day on upgrading your skill set so it matches the vision and the goals you want to achieve. And focus every day on the 3 highest income producing activities that you should do and the 3 highest impact producing activities. And guess what will happen? You will be able to start from 0 or below 0, and you'll be able to achieve the financial, business, life success that you want to achieve. Hey, this is John, and if you liked that video, watch the next video because it is packed with things that you can do right now to achieve success way faster than ever before.